Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, do you want to create the star glowing effect? However, if you don't have the, let's say, the specific application or the software before, or if you want to create this instantly, and if you haven't had the skill before to create it into your, let's say, into the another specific software, don't worry guys, because you can create this star glow effect. And here, for example, I put it onto the donut like this, and it makes this donut looks very beautiful, shiny, shimmering, splendid. And how to create this animation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, to create this animation, you simply need this Meta AI. And as you can see, to create this animation, this Meta AI will give you the animation will be in 5 seconds, or the duration will be 5 seconds guys. And if you would like to access this Meta AI, then don't forget to do the login first with your email, Facebook account, or maybe the Instagram account. And after that, you can simply open it, and you'll see this is the home page of this Meta AI. And don't worry, because this Meta AI also quite accessible within your smartphone or even the tab guys. And for example, I just need this simple prompt like this: create the animation of twinkling stars around the donut, and also add the subtle yet elegant star glows effect that shimmers and radiates around the entire donut. So you can start to click send, and kindly wait for the result guys. Basically, this Meta AI will give you 4 samples after generate this prompt into the animation video or the short animation video. And after that, you can simply check it out, and maybe the generation process could consume maybe maybe 15 seconds until 1 minute guys. So make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And after waiting for maybe this 1 minute, this will be the result, and let's check it out. Like this. And this will be the another one. Each of them show the twinkling and glowing star. And I will inform you too that using the same prompt, you can also has the possibility, you will have the possibility to have the different look, but still in one theme, which is donut that has the twinkling star around. And if you would like to download which one do you prefer, for example, I will download this one, and you can simply click download button, and after that, this animation will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.